being planned by the AC/DC as well. Nate.
Now 5:42 on your Monday. Let's explore the world of bread and pastries and sweet treats over at the Las Vegas Convention Center. That's where J.C. Fernandez is for the International Baking Expo. What's cooking, bro?
Hey, Nate, look at this gorgeous sourdough bread. It's a prop, though. This is Brandon with AMF. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you. Good morning.
And your company, if I got this right, you've been to McDonald's and had McDonald's hamburger. Those buns, you supply the equipment that is mass producing those buns.
Absolutely. So AMF is a total integrated solution provider. We can manage that product from raw ingredient mixing all the way through packaging and distribution in the plant.
Now, you were telling me that machine back there, that's making the buns back there?
It is. So this is an 8-pocket AccuPan machine. That process makes 96,000 hamburger buns an hour.
96,000 in 1 hour.
Absolutely.
A lot of buns. And then this machine right here does the bread.
So you go to the grocery store and you're walking down the bread aisle. This machine here is producing about 200 of those loaves every minute.
That's incredible. Let's walk into your booth. You have a lot going on. This sourdough here is a prop. But I want to point out this pizza machine here. What is this machine doing here?
So we're showing some of our distribution and handling capabilities. The plants have a number of packaging lines that the products have to get distributed to. So we're showing how we do that with gentle care and making sure we don't create any damage to the finished goods.
Oh, question for you though, Brandon.
Sure.
So watching this, how does this machine know which way
so there's a combination of PLC software and intelligence built in along with the sensor array. So we've got lasers counting and detecting products, sending it to the appropriate packaging lane that it needs to go to.
In your opinion, what's the big trend that's going to be hitting the market here soon?
We're seeing a lot of health-based trends, so cleaning the labels up, removing some artificial ingredients. We're seeing a lot of move towards sourdough-based products. And then we're also just trying to see customers drive more value in some of the high-speed products.
Hot out of the oven?
Fresh and tasty.
Prop. We'll put it on there. Come around here because I think this is so neat. This just shows the scale of the show and the things that you do. You see the convention hall behind us, but you turn around here and it literally is like walking into a cafe here.
It is.
What's taking place here?
So we're welcoming our customers in this week all week. We've brought a master baker in from the Netherlands, and we're going to be able to provide some products that are going to give a glimpse in some of our capabilities, whether that's a croissant, pizza, soft pretzels, or a typical hamburger and hot dog bun. We're just giving customers an opportunity to taste and enjoy some of the products that we're capable of making.
I love it. Well, thank you for providing McDonald's with the machines because their buns are delicious, and you're the guys giving the machines to make those amazing buns. It's the Baking Expo. I'm going to send it back to you guys in the studio.
Well, they're probably not giving them away for free, but they are making the machines. They're making the buns.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, those pizzas look tasty. It's too bad they're just props, JC. Oh, wow. It is so fun. It's amazing how all that stuff is made, in mass.